That is your what you call, selective permeability concept. That is my concept of theory in BSc. This selective permeability is, for example, now let us see, I have a joint pain. Now when I get a joint pain, I go to doctor. A doctor gives me an anti-inflammatory product, like say Brufen. You heard of ibuprofen?
Yeah.
It's one product. Now when they give, I take it, it relieves my joint pain. Now I go to the doctor, I have a little elevated sugar, I am a diabetic person. So he doesn't give me anti-inflammatory product, he give me a diabetes medicine. Next week I went to him, sir, I have a high blood pressure. So he gave a high BP medicine to control the blood pressure. Now why does he give BP medicine for BP, diabetes medicine for diabetes, anti-inflammatory for my joints? Because this anti-inflammatory medicine cannot reduce your blood sugar. It cannot work on your blood pressure. Neither can the diabetes medicine relieve the joint pain. So why it is happening? It is because your body has been given as a structure. It is being designed as a structure. Now each organ is different structure. Suppose your kidney is like this, whereas your liver is like this, your lungs are like this, your heart is like this. They are different structure. So different structure, when you give a different medicine, it will not work. So what do they do in medicine? The medicine, the molecular structure of the medicine, they design it in such way that it matches with the structure of your organ. So when you take the tablet, it enters into your bloodstream and enters into a particular joint structure. So it is exactly going, but it cannot enter into the pancreas or it cannot enter into the heart cell because the membrane of the heart cell will not allow permission or permeability is not possible. That is why one medicine will work for one disease. That is why. Now what is this Ganoderma then all about then? The why Ganoderma is effective in us? See, this guy comes with an asthma and I gave him Ganoderma. Next time he comes and says, Doctor, my asthma is still there, but then my joint pain was there, that is gone. Now how it is possible? How Ganoderma can relieve joint pain when I have given him for asthma? Why it is happening? Because the permeability is universal permeability. This is my theory. This is the theory I submitted. That is, your medicines are selective permeability. They selectively permeate into your body cell, whereas Ganoderma is a universal permeability. It permeates into all the cells of the body, and wherever the toxins are there, it removes the toxins. Kalwar. That is called Kalwar. Kalwar. Remove that. Then what happens? It does not allow the toxin to build up. So therefore, it is Chega. So Kalwar, Chega. RGGL. Kalwar, Chega. So universal permeability. Now that is why Ganoderma is effective in all things. Why these medicines are not effective for different medicine. So it is like this. So somebody asked me a question. Sir, how do you say that our body is made of different structure? It's very simple. See, you have your house. Before you constructed the house, what it was? It was a piece of land. It's a piece of land. Now when it was a piece of land, you started constructing. The moment the construction was over, all of us, you invite us, we come there. Hey, what is this? Say, it's a big hall. Oh, very nice, excellent. What is this? Sir, this is bedroom, sir. Very nice. What is that one? Sir, that is bathroom, sir. What is this? This is kitchen, sir. What is this? This is some puja room, sir. So, different structure. What you can do in your kitchen, you cannot do in your hall. What you do in your hall cannot do in your bathroom. What you do in your bathroom, you cannot do in your bedroom. So, different room, different function. But it is the base is your land, piece of land. body is made of cell, which is a piece of land. Your organs are different structures. So the different structure requires a different medicine. Ganoderma is a single solution for multiple problems. This is my theory.
So interesting.
Yeah.
Interesting, logical.
It's logical.
very
Nobody
logical.
can deny it. Now suppose a doctor comes and asks me, say how Dr. Ratnam you are telling it is very effective in asthma. How the same thing is effective in diabetic gangrene. If you get a gangrene, you know you get a problem. All that you need to do is wash up the wound, then take RG powder, yes sir, sprinkle top.
Yes.
You just sprinkle it and then do 2-time dressing. And you take 4 RGGL, you give like that, you see what an amount of change. But the same guy, if he has got a concurrent problem, that also is get treated with Ganoderma because of the universal permeability concept. This is one. Second, some of our leaders, what they do, they go and promote Ganoderma is working in the cells. Therefore, it is very effective. It is partly right, partly wrong. When you say Ganoderma is working in the cell, you must also understand every medicine also is working in the cell only. Every medicine has to work in the cell because cell is the basic land of your home. Cell is the basic land. But what is the difference with Ganoderma is permeation into the particular organ is different with Ganoderma, which is different with other medicine. So we must train our leaders to say that Ganoderma is not simply working in the cell. Everything will work in the cell only, including your medicine, it will work in the cell. But Ganoderma will permeate into every organ, which medicines cannot. That is how it is.
Universal versus selective permeability.
Universal permeability versus selective permeability. Yeah.